If you guys like how I do my chart analysis on YouTube and you want to learn how to do it yourself, click the link below to check out the Vee Trades technical analysis course. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Alibaba with the ticker symbol BABA. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. Just a reminder, guys, I do have my course on sale for 50% off. You guys can find the discount code in the community section of my channel, and the deal will expire Monday at midnight. So let's take a look at the daily chart for Alibaba. I'll put a vertical line of where it left off, which was last week, I believe on the 10th. I'll put a vertical line right now, which was right around here, and then everything after that is new price action. So we had a massive sell-off on Monday when the market opened. We continued lower, we bounced from the EMA, and then we got a nice little bounce. We continued higher, we sold off. Today was pretty surprising. We gapped up pretty high, and then you can see a massive amount of selling come back in to fill in the gap that was created from the push up. Now the market is very choppy right now. It's very hard to see which direction the market wants to go. It looks like we could be potentially going inside of a range. It looks like we did get rejected off of this 117 level. Prices could not surpass this previous swing. We just sold off. Now we're just kind of chopping around between the EMA and this 117 level, and it looks like there's some strong support right around this $81-$82 level. So we could just be trading around inside these levels for the next couple of months. Let's wait and see. But normally during summer time, that's when the bigger traders take time off, because that's when the kids get out of school. So usually summertime, you'll notice that the market is slower and more choppier. Generally that's true, not all the time, but most of the time you'll notice that the market tends to slow down around this time, and then the market tends to pick up around after Christmas, so after New Year, so around January, February, March. Usually like the market is fast paced, so we could be not seeing that much volatile movement as before. We could start seeing the market slow down and just start going sideways or chop around. So that's what it looks like a bunch of stocks could be doing, but I'll analyze that later when the time comes. So what does it look like we're going to be doing now? Well, I don't really see any particular trend on this. It does look like we could be starting a range. So if we do start a range, since we got rejected from the high side of the range, you could be coming back down to the lower side of the range, which is right around this $82 level. I still don't believe we have bottom. I think one of these days, I don't know exactly when, we're going to come back right down to this $72 level and probably even exceed it before making a bottom and reversing. So we are trading at these high levels. I'm still expecting this low to be knocked out. It's not guaranteed. That's why I don't put my life savings on any particular trade, because you cannot be 100% sure. There's always, you could be always wrong. You could be reading the chart wrong, and I'm not in control of the market. I don't move it around, so I only could see, try to predict based on price action and traps that are set up in the market where the market wants to go next. So since we had a pop-up and then a sell-off, this is a very bearish bar on Friday, but again, we're coming back into support, so we could see another bounce back up. So it's very choppy right now. We might just be chopping around for a while, but if you guys an update next week, we could come back up to this 117 level. Most likely it's going to be resistance and then sell off. If we break this EMA or this $100 level, I think we could easily fall back down to this $82 level. So let's go and wrap this up on the weekly chart. And here we have the weekly chart for Alibaba. We can see the long-term price action pretty much since 2020. Price action has been going down instead of this downtrend. Finally, we had the first break of this channel, which shows signs of weakness in this downtrend. But I don't think it's over yet. Normally, when we get the first break of patterns, we go back down to retest the prior low. Just like I showed you guys on my previous SoFi video, we had a break of that channel, and we went down to retest this low, or we're going towards it. We're almost there, just not quite there yet. So Alibaba could be doing the same thing. Could be seeing a slow glide down back to this prior low before seeing a reversal. That's what I think That's what I think can happen. I'm not saying we're going to do that pattern quickly. It could take 2 months, it could take 6 months. I don't know exactly how quickly the price will get to these targets. Just like Bitcoin, I'm predicting it can reach 12,500 and is getting there pretty quickly, and that's when I predicted at around the 29,000 or $28,000 level, and already at 20,000. So something like that can drop very quickly and reach those targets that I have in mind. But something like Alibaba might take a couple of months to play out. This week was not really bearish or bullish at all. I mean, it was a neutral, but it was slightly leaning to the bearish side because you could see that it's red for the week. But again, it's not really that bearish or bullish. We're kind of just going sideways. So there is still a possibility to get another push up. You know, I'm not saying that's not possible. But again, we did close above the EMA last week, but we closed below it this week. So I think the market might just continue trending down. Just kind of a boring stock right now. Kind of just chopping around these price levels between the 111, 112, and right around the $82 level. You can see that we did find resistance at that previous breakout point. Came back and tested it once right here. Got rejected, sent price it lower, came back again. Could be doing the same pattern again. We start seeing more red bars forming. So I'm short bias, but there's still a possibility, maybe 20% or 30% possibility to see price to continue higher. But give you guys an update next week. Thanks for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel, since you might be surprised what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video with your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel, since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.